everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today, yes, my hair is slightly different color. I put a demi-permanent on it for those of you that are going to ask, so I figured I'd just address the elephant in the room. Like, my roots are still like me, but the demi-permanent has kind of taken care of all of the really brassy color that I had in there. So this is like my real color here, and then, you know, I try to match it as close as possible. Obviously, you can still see there's a slight difference, but we'll see how it fades out because demi-permanents always fade out. I just, you know, it's been needing to happen for a very long time. It finally happened earlier today. We'll see how she goes. But you are here for the Supernatural Pan Interrupted update. This has been going on for like a hot minute. It has. Amanda and I started this project August 19th. Of 2018. We are panning a product for every episode of Supernatural that ever aired. We've had a bunch of people that have joined in. They're going to be listed down below. And yeah, we got a long way to go. We've been doing this for a long time. We got a long way to go. That's okay. This is one of those forever kind of projects. Technically not forever because it will end once we get to the very last episode of season 15. So let's get into this. We are doing 6 episodes at a time, so 6 products at a time. I unfortunately do not have any empties this time because I don't want to say I was completely slacking in the past month, but I've been hyper focused on the things that I absolutely have to get done by the end of this calendar year. So usage on a lot of these products, because I have 5 eyeshadows in right now, which is insane. Yeah, I have not been focused as much as I should be on these. But you know how that goes. Because these are going to carry over into the new year. I'm okay with that. It is what it is. So let's get into the episodes. Time is on my side, and that is a doctor that is obsessed with eternal life. So I chose something that was anti-aging. For my hands, I have the Exuviance Age Reverse Hand Peel and the Hand Rejuvenating Cream. I actually was able to make a new line this time, which I'm kind of excited about. I was at the gold last time. Now I'm at the purple. Yes, I do need to pick up my usage on this, but now that it's cold and I'm starting to get really, really dry skin, this is going to get a lot more usage. New line on the Rejuvenator from the gold to the purple. I really think my usage is going to pick up a whole lot here in the next, it's going to start now. Actually, it's not going to be in the next month. Yeah, I have to start using it now because I get dry skin. It's what happens to me. All right, moving on. That was my last episode. That is my holdover for season 3 is this duo product. And as soon as that one is where it needs to be, I can say goodbye to season 3. I am well into season 4 now. Wishful thinking. This is probably the first episode I ever saw. I'm sure it's the first episode I ever saw, and then I went back and watched, you know, from the beginning. But I chose for that this eyeshadow Mystical. It is a Jelly Much from ColourPop because in the episode, the wishing well becomes mystical when they put an ancient coin in there, and it actually starts granting wishes when people wish on the wishing well. My goal for this is 5 uses. I have used it once, so not amazing, but at least it's not untouched, which is a good thing. I know what you did last summer. In there is a girl that can hear angels, so I went off of that, and I chose, yes, let's all laugh at it, Angel Food Cake. It's like, it was hard to pick something for this. This is, you can see what the shade looks like right there. I don't want to open it because there's a lot in the top, and it's mineral, so it'll go everywhere. I have used this 2 of 5 times now, so definitely a little bit of progress there. Only 3 more uses to go on that one. For the episode Heaven and Hell, I chose Bare Minerals Heavenly Diamond. Love this shadow. I kind of on the brain of maybe putting this in a project for next year. That's how much I'm enjoying it. Goal is 5 uses. I only have 1 usage in here, but I have used it other times before I put it in this project this year, and I just really like that shadow. For Family Remains, that is about children of incest, and they live in a house that people believe is haunted, but it's really just these people that live in there, this ancestral family. It's kind of gross, I know. So they're like a big mishmash of whatever they got going on in their family tea there. So I chose a Frankenshadow. It was very, very full when I brought it in. As you can see, I have pan, and it's very thin around here. Don't know if I can have it done by the next update, but I think it'll be very, very close. So we'll just have to see how it goes. It'll be nice to be able to roll in another episode and product for that one. And the last one is, gosh, I hate saying, I am going to abbreviate it. Criss Angel is a D-bag. Y'all know what it means. Y'all know what it means. I said it last update, and you know, trying to keep it family friendly. He's a magician, for those of you who don't know who Criss Angel is. So I have my Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things palette. I'm just pulling back the plastic. And I am trying to get 5 uses on its magic. And I've only got 1 use on this so far. I am painting a lot of purples right now. So, you know, trying to split time with my 6 million purples. That is everything that is staying into this project for right now. Wow, my brain is just not working today. I do think I'm going to have some rollouts for next time. Hopefully some of these eyeshadows will roll out, crossing my fingers. I don't know if I can have this done, but I expect much better progress on it because it is the time of year that I really need to use it. All right, I am going to wrap this up. Definitely check out everyone that has joined in down below if you would like to join in. We periodically have people that are joining in, which is fine. Let me know. I will put your information down there so everyone else can find you. Doesn't matter if you're on Instagram or YouTube or wherever. I'll put that info down below. And if you want to join in, you know, we would love to have you. There's lots of people within the last couple of months that have started doing this. And, you know, we had someone that had been doing it, took a break for a while, and then has come back to it, which is kind of cool. And I guess that's everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.